In this video, I'll show you how to make buy one get one free sale on WooCommerce. Let's get started. So if you want to promote a BOGO sale on your actual store, you can scroll down right here until you can see the option for plugins and click on this add new plugin. Now, once you have clicked on that, you should be able to be redirected to the plugin marketplace of WordPress. So just head over and click on this search plugins that you can see right here and then search in here for buy one get one. So let's search in here for that. And then you should be able to see some search results related to your search. So here it is. We have in here this things, which is this buy one get one free BOGO WooCommerce discount rule maker. You can also install this one, which is actually a discount rules for WooCommerce right here. So for me, I'll just head over and then try to use this one, or you can also use this one depending on which ones you want to actually use. So for example, for this, let's try to install this. Now, as you can see, this will install. And then once it's been installed, you should be able to activate it as well by just heading over right here and clicking on activate. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to activate it all together. Once it's been activated, you should be able to just refresh your site. So let's try to refresh it and we should be able to see it from there. Now, here's the application. It's been added on our extensions and under this discount rules. Now you can see in here, we have in here this discount rules, and you can click on this add new rule right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So just select your discount type. It can be a bulk discount, and for this, let's choose this BOGO discount, which is buy X, get Y. So just head over and then choose that, but make sure to take note that it is actually for the pro account. Then just head over and then name it. So I'll just put in here a random name, or you just put in here apply this rule, and then save your changes from there. So you can also head over right here to the settings that they have. And on the settings, you can see in here calculate discount from the sale price or the regular price. So let's choose this one and then just put in here this apply discount as well as this product discount right here on sale badge. And then you can choose in this WooCommerce before add to cart form as well, and also this cart right here, apply discount as a coupon or as a fee. And also show a strikeout on the cart and combine all crowd discount. You can enable that if you want right here as well. So from in there, just head over and then save your changes and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.